If you're on Psychology Today but getting zero calls, zero emails, or clients are just scrolling past your profile, this video is for you. I'm going to show you my complete Psychology Today system, from the profile optimization tricks that get clicks to automation that converts browsers into booked paying clients, all on autopilot. Let's get started. Before I show you my automation, let's talk about why your profile might not be getting clicks. First of all, you need to select a niche. You can't just say, I help people with anxiety. You can't be a therapist for everyone. Be very specific on who you serve, how you serve them, and how they can make a consult call with you. Consults have proven to help convert people a lot quicker, easier, and they are more excited to work with me. So, starting with your profile photo, get something that speaks to your authority. Have a clear headshot, nice contrasting background so they can clearly see you. In the name section of your profile, put in keywords that will clearly show how you help them. Now, when you're going to put in that new name, you're going to notice that you can't put in clinical words. You can't do disorder or OCD. You can't even put anxiety. Try to get creative. Put some things in there for the first name. So I've got unwanted overthinking habits, and last name is my full name, Erin Davis. So this is what I can currently do. This is a great option to help you stand out. You won't be able to authenticate your profile with your official ID because I don't think anyone has unwanted overthinking habits as their first name. Then the other trick is that I periodically update my profile, my personal statement. I may change out a word here and there, but when I do that, my profile seems to get pushed to the top and I tend to get more inquiries after doing that. Next thing, my video intro is something that I filmed on TikTok, and it's got captions rolling. Get out of survival mode, you need to do a few key things. So I'm already giving them value in that video intro. This video did well on TikTok, so that can be a way that you can gauge what will work for your audience. Really try to give them more than book a consult with me. Like, give them value up front. In my photos section, I have gone into Canva and screenshotted my testimonials and my reviews and put it in a photo. Again, I'm demonstrating authority and that it's a good idea to work with me. And I don't know about you, but I really hate phone calls. So I just clearly tell them I'm like every other normal human. Just grab a consult and we can talk through your questions there. Another way that I have gotten more out of network clients is by using Thrizer. Be sure to check out the links in the description for all of these systems and tools that I'm showing you today. I also create urgency. As you can see in all of the side quote boxes, I add a little bit of my own flair. So it's not generic, it's not basic, but especially on the credentials section, it is true. I'm not using sketchy sales tactics. Literally, my calendar does book quickly. Talking about specialties, the struggle is real, very relatable words. I only have 1 to 2 appointment slots available because that is true. I can't take on 30 new clients. Truly, 1 to 2 clients at a time is the sweet spot. So making sure everything is filled out. I encourage you to get endorsements from colleagues, and you can reciprocate. You can even say hey, I'll write it up if you want to just copy and paste it. Another great thing to target your listing, I add in high cost of living areas because these people are more likely to be out of pocket or be accustomed to that out of network situation. Another great hack that a friend showed me is by using groups. If you are running a masterclass, like a free masterclass, I encourage you to add it on this group section. If you have a recurring group therapy offer, list it here. And I didn't put an address because mine is virtual. Now, let's hop over to the automations. The way the automations get started is, first of all, someone will email me. After they email me, they are automatically added to my PowerZone platform. Once they're added to my PowerZone platform, I go in and I have an app for the PowerZone where I can tag them as Psych Today. So for the Psych Today leads, they go through this entire automation hands off. And great news is with PowerZone, once you sign up for a subscription, you can get this template too. You can get this workflow all at no additional cost. And this is something that has been tried and true and worked very well for me. Once they get tagged as that Psych Today contact, they get a text message from me. It's generic, but it feels approachable because I'm saying, hey, thanks for reaching out through Psychology Today. Would love to schedule a time to chat about how I can help you. It's still very focused on them. And I give them my consult call link here, which is that calendar through PowerZone as well. And that will be a separate tutorial video. The goal of this workflow is that they book an appointment. And so once that happens, they exit this workflow. That way they don't continue to get the emails or the text messages. And I'll show you what all of this looks like. They get email number 1, and I can show you where those emails live in the PowerZone. On the left-hand side, I would go to Marketing, Emails, and come on down to Psych Today Follow-ups. All right, so I've got 6 emails that go out to them. As you can see in this first email, it's very branded. I'm trying to promote the free consult. Got the link right there. Another Canva signature. So it's just very simple, very focused on get the consult, nothing else to distract them. Then when you click on the ellipses in the top right, hit settings, you can program in who this is coming from, your therapy practice email, email subject, and preview text. So then when you put it into the automation, it's all auto-filled for you. And no matter which automation it gets into, those settings will always exist. The way to set up these automations, let's say you've already got this template and you need to change it out to yours. So you're going to click on the email action box. Then you're going to go to templates, select whatever template name you gave it. I strongly encourage you to use good names for each of your emails. And then hit save very often in case for some reason your computer crashes or something freezes. Okay, then I've got a wait step that waits 1 day, and I send these emails out between 6 a.m. and 5 p.m. So it all looks very professional. We're going to get to the second text message, and this is another personal outreach, and this time it has their first name in it to really grab their attention. They're still in this workflow because they haven't grabbed a consult yet. For this text message, it's also a template. It's like just checking in. I know life gets busy. No pressure at all. So it's very inviting. If you're still interested in discussing what you shared in your Psych Today message, I have a few consultation spots open next week. So it builds in a little bit of urgency, not too much pressure, because I don't like those hard sales tactics. Over in the PowerZone, to get to the text templates, go to the left-hand side, hit Conversations and Snippets. In here is where I created my Psychology Today text messages. You can go in and edit, change it out. You can add your own links. You can create a whole new one. Okay, so that's how that works. They keep getting emails primarily, but having these 2 text messages plus the emails works really well in getting their attention and getting them into booking a consult call with you. So my automations are on the left-hand side. Once they book the consult call, I'm going to show you what happens. So they go into the warm-up to therapy consult workflow. Once they are in a consult call workflow, I have other automations in here like remove from Psychology Today workflow. That way all of those emails stop. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I hope you get many clients through your Psychology Today profile. Subscribe to the PowerZone platform today to make all of these automations simple, easy, and hands-off. It has been a game changer in my practice. Grab that link in the show notes. It is an affiliate link, so it's a win-win for all. If you have any questions, you can DM me on Instagram at Davis Tech Savviness, or find me on LinkedIn at Erin Davis and just DM me the word mentor, and I know you're looking for private practice support. Check out the links in the show notes. Wishing you all the best.